car insurance in Westminster, California. It wasn't that long ago that getting a quote from an insurance company meant a visit to their office and would have to be repeated for a number of quotes. Fortunately, those days are past because now it is just a simple matter of using an online comparison site without leaving your home. These can find the quote that suits your circumstances and budget very quickly. If it is a must to lower your cost, here is a way to do it. Increasing numbers of people carry out all their business online these days. The cost of parts used for replacement and labor times to carry out repairs. The risk of a claim is much higher from town or city dwellers. One thing that doesn't change is just how much your auto insurance premium will rise if you do not live in the country. There was a time when you had to pay your premium up front, but most reputable companies will allow monthly installments these days, which should help soften the financial strain. Be cautious about waiting until the last moment on getting free quotes, because this can cause a problem if your renewal comes due and you are not prepared. For these people that drive high-risk sports vehicles, comprehensive coverage may be too expensive, so looking at a more basic insurance policy might be worthwhile. Getting medical bills paid will fall under comprehensive coverage. One thing basic insurance will not cover, even if you are not at fault and the accident is: when an accident occurs, all passengers that are not related by blood in either vehicle will be protected by this type of policy. Being prepared to change auto insurance in a timely fashion is a good idea, but always wait till the old policy expires. Some drivers make the mistake of believing their new policy is in force and send a cancellation notification to their existing provider, so avoid doing this until you receive confirmation. Getting an umbrella policy can usually give you a discount on premiums. When you are looking into auto insurance premiums every year, there are ways to calculate cost reductions, and you can find new ways to reduce premiums.